Good morning. I'm excited. I'm excited after listening to the high decibel speeches of all the dignitaries. Now, it gives me immense pleasure to be here on this occasion amongst you, because I believe providing education is a noble of all the deeds. It's maybe in the present day probably easy to start an education institution in cities, but it is equally difficult to organize a function like this in a place like Mangalore. I really admire the effort of Walter Stephen Mendes. So that is why I take this occasion to congratulate him for this. President of the function, Shri Ajit Kumar Maladi, Chief Guest, Mr. M.R. Jayesha, Mr. P.P. Hegde, Shri Anand K. Jain, Krishna Prasad Rai, Robert V. Sons, and Ms. Florence Mendes, Dr. Navin Shetty. I am proud to be with you on this occasion of Job Mela for one more reason, that 25 years ago, I also, after my graduation, was as expectant with hopes and confusion in mind, was roaming around for job, just like you. All these small towns, I would say, Mangalore is almost going to a big town. Small towns like second-class cities of any state have a problem of competing with metros and cosmos. So bringing all multinational companies, corporate companies to this place in one stage and providing you opportunities to present yourself is itself a challenge. And Mr. Mendes has done this. So those days, in my native, there was nothing like this. I was also worried, like most of you have been, to see the next stage of life. Dear friends, the time has changed. The jobs are coming to you. Make best use of this today and tomorrow. Like already one of the guests has said, mentioned our ex-president, His Excellency Mr. Kalam. Dream. He also says, dream big. And I add on to this, all your dreams will come true. It is a fact. If you dream, you can make your dreams come true. This is not me saying. Almost all the researchers who have written books, research on this subject have said, your dreams should be accompanied by positive thoughts. And this positive thoughts invites the positive energy of this cosmos, and that will help to make your positive thinking thoughts to come true. Okay, friends, from today onwards, you can dream. Without dream, you cannot achieve anything in life. Dream positively without harming anyone, without having any negative traits in the mind and thought. But there is one more challenge to this, our small town education. Can we compare ourselves? Can we compete ourselves with the cosmopolitan education standards? Difficult. Then where we lag behind? What do those employers see in us? What do the employers want from us? The most important factor of small town weakness is soft skills. Dear friends, please take note of this. We, the small town people, lack the soft skills. Soft skill means the most important factor is communication, etiquettes, behaviors, presentation. All these things put together will contribute for yourself, packaging your personality together for those who look at you as a potential employee. Even if those corporate companies which have come here, they will be looking for all this in one package. Yes, mark sheet is the first one which impresses your employers or potential employers. Next one is your CV, your resume. Once they see your resume, they make an impression. That is the one which gives the first impression of your personality. Ladies and gentlemen, see that your CV and resume is done well, because one more thing, this keeps changing with trends. 20 years back it was different, and now it is different. Take a professional help and make a CV for you. Otherwise, there are a lot of self-learning tools on the internet. You can use this internet for a lot of things, even for your soft skill training. There are a lot of YouTube courses of 10 minutes, 15 minutes. You can use internet effectively to build your personality. There are a lot of YouTube videos about preparing yourself for an interview, to compete yourself other people who are better placed in the society with better opportunities. And this is free of cost, available in the internet. Use internet for, you can. Nowadays this education is so liberal that internet, everything is available on this earth. Please do use as much as possible. So these are the few things I can tell you. There are a lot of things which can also be told, but time constraint which prevents me from speaking further. But otherwise, gentlemen, I would like to conclude this saying that dream big, your dream will come true with positive vibrations. Thank you, gentlemen and ladies.